Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about measuring the area. But at the first, what is the meaning of the area? Area is the number of square units that needs to cover the shape. We need to cover the shape without overlap. That's the meaning of the area. In the previous lesson we talked about the perimeter. And we said the perimeter is the sum of the side length, the distance around the shape. We just count the distance outside. But for the area we need to count inside. So in the perimeter we count outside, but for the area we count inside. So to find the area of the rectangle will be equal to length multiplied by width. But to find the area of the square will be equal to the side multiplied by itself. If we have a rectangle and we need to find its area, will be equal length multiplied by width. But for the square will be equal to the side multiplied by itself. So we need to find the area in each of the following. Number one, we need to find the area of the rectangle. To find the area, we need to find the length and the width. So at the first will be equals. Just we will count the length. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 squares. And for the width only we have 4. To find the area now will be equal length multiplied by width. But if you need to find the perimeter, will be length plus width multiplied by 2. That is the difference between the area and the perimeter. We need to find the area, so it will be 8 multiplied by 4, which equals to 32. For the perimeter, we just write the same unit. But for the area, we'll make a squared unit. Because we said the area is the number of squared units that needs to cover the shape without overlap. So we need 32 squares. But if we need to find the perimeter in this question, will be 8 plus 4 multiplied by 2. Length and width multiplied by 2. 8 and 4 equals to 12. 12 multiplied by 2 equals to 24. But for the perimeter will be the same unit. In the area it will be equals to squared unit. In question number 2, we need to find the area. We have a square, and the area of the square is equal to the side multiplied by itself. The length of the side is equal to 3. So just multiply 3 by 3, the answer will be equals to 9. As we said, the area must be squared unit, so it will be squared yard. Now you need to find the perimeter. If you need to find the perimeter, as we said before, the perimeter of the square is the side multiplied by 4. The side equal to 3. Just we need to multiply it by 4, the answer will be equals to 12 yards. In number 3, we need to find the area. You will find that the length of the first side equals to 4. And the length of the second side also is equal to 4. Because all of the sides are equal, it means we are talking about the square. The area of the square equal to the side multiplied by itself. The length of the side is equal to 4. So we just multiply 4 by 4, the answer now will be equal to 16 squared units. In question number 4, we need to find the area. To find the area of the rectangle, just we need to find the length and the width. By counting, you will find that the length is equals to 10. And the width is only equals to. To find the area will be equals 10 multiplied by 2. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equal to 20 squared units. And that's how can we find the area of the square and the area of the rectangle. In this problem, the given is the area and one of the side, and we need to find the missing side. If you look at question number 7, you'll find that the length of the side equals to 7, and the area is equal to 49. We need to find the length of the missing sides. To find the missing side, just divide the area divided by the length of the side. So 49 divided by 7 equals to 7. Because the adjacent side equal to 7, all of the missing side will be 7 because we are talking about a square. In question number 8, we will find that we have a rectangle. The area is equal to 32. One of the sides equals 4. So just divide 32 divided by 4. Now the answer will be equals 8. Once we find the answer is 8, it means the length now is equal to 8 meters. So the opposite side also will be equals 8. And because we have 4, the opposite also will be equals to 4. The same in question number 9. In question number 9, we have the area equals 5. And we need to find the length of the missing sides. Just divide the area by the length of the side. You will find that the answer equals to 5. So the length of the rectangle now will be equals to 5. Because that's 5, so the opposite also will be equals 5. And the length of the opposite side here to 1 will be equals to 1 centimeter. In question number 10, you will find that the area is 24. And one of the sides equals to 6. To find the missing side, just divide 24 divided by 6. You will find that the answer equals 4. So the two opposite sides now will be equal to 4 inches. And the side which opposite to 6 also will be equal to 6 inch because we are talking about rectangle. And for the rectangle, each two opposite sides are equal. For the square, all of the sides will be equal. And that's how can we find the length of the missing side if they given the area and one of the side of the shape.